Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large files in Gmail step by step. Gmail has a file size limit for direct attachments, but you can still send large files easily by using Google Drive. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. Click the Compose button to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and add a subject for your message. Now click the Attach Files icon at the bottom of the email window. Choose the file you want to send from your computer. If the file is larger than Gmail's attachment limit, Gmail will automatically suggest uploading it to Google Drive. You can also click the Google Drive icon next to the attachment button. Select the large file you want to send from your Google Drive. After selecting the file, click Insert. Gmail will add the file as a Google Drive link instead of a regular attachment. Before sending the email, you may see a permission message asking who can access the file. Choose the access settings you want, such as allowing recipients to view, comment, or edit the file. Once the permissions are set, click Send. The recipient will receive the email with a link to access and download the large file. You can use this method to send videos, documents, presentations, and other large files without worrying about attachment size limits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send large files in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Drive tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.